Hey gang, Judson Bobo with Everything Billiards and Spas in Charlotte, North Carolina. Wanted to share with you one of our recent additions to the lineup, the Arctic Plunge. It is a cold plunge tub. It's got really cool LED lighting. It's got a stainless steel interior for durability. It goes down to 39 degrees Fahrenheit and is proofed for outdoor use down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Has a circulation pump, ozonator, all the bells and whistles. It's a really well-appointed unit. I fell in love with cold plunge use 2 years ago when we bought a house with a pool. During the winter, I started rolling out of bed every morning and getting in my freezing cold pool, and I loved it. It does all sorts of good stuff in your brain chemicals. It releases norepinephrine, dopamine, and some other stuff that just makes you feel better. There are a lot of studies out there that have shown that regular cold plunge use decreases your stress and your cortisol levels. Also helps people with anxiety. It just reduces anxiety and makes you feel better. It's a great way to start the day. There are a lot of other health benefits. Sports and athletes have been using cold plunges for decades because they reduce inflammation and help improve recovery, physical recovery. It boosts your immune system, which can't we all use that? Also, one of the things that I really like about it is that it's the concept of mental and physical resiliency. Mark Twain once said that if you eat a live frog in the morning, then anything else you do after that point is going to be easy peasy. It's the same thing with the cold plunge. Go hop in one at 5:30 in the morning. Everything else in your day seems a little bit more manageable. Personally, my favorite time to use the cold plunge is after a sauna. I'm really big on regular sauna use too. And if I do a cold plunge and then a sauna, it puts me biochemically and mentally in this happy place. Like many of you, my brain is somewhat of a hamster wheel, just thought after thought popping into it. After a sauna and a cold plunge, everything just calms down, everything is right with the world. In today's fast-paced environment, I think that's a really important thing to incorporate in your wellness routines is for me, sauna and cold plunge gets me there, but the point is if you can get to that point where everything is right with the world, then you can access that when you need it, becoming more mentally resilient whenever you're encountered with a stressful situation. So again, love the cold plunge. Come check it out. We got it with water here. Come get yours today. Grab a sauna while you're here. Thank you.